How to log in Outlook in Chrome. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these easy steps. So for that, you can directly head over to your Chrome browser. Just go ahead and open up Chrome. And once you open it up from the given interface, you may just go ahead and search for your Outlook directly. So you may use the search bar right here available and go ahead and search for Outlook here. And you should be finding the results. From here, you may head over to Microsoft Outlook official link. Now all you gotta do is from this given interface, look out for the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. And you need to enter up your login details of your Outlook. You may usually we use our Microsoft account, so enter up your Microsoft account that you use in order to create your account and click on next. After that, you will be logged in into Outlook. So that is it. It is very easy. You may also follow the same process. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.